Hey survivalists and wilderness warriors! Today, we're diving deep into a fire-starting secret that could literally be the difference between warmth and hypothermia, or a cooked meal and an empty stomach when every single resource counts. Using 3 or 4 matches for one fire? That's just wasteful. Here's a quick fire-starting hack. Always aim to light a small candle first, if you have one, then transfer that steady flame to your tinder. The same procedure applies to your lighter. It's a simple survival technique that extends your incredibly valuable resources. Now, you've probably heard the old trick, trying to split a match in half to effectively double your supply. You grab your trusty survival knife, place the sharp tip right under the match head, and attempt to cleave it. And if you're like most people, myself included in my early days, you've probably failed. The match head, with its notoriously porous structure, just crumbles into dust, rendering the entire match completely useless. Frustrating, isn't it? It's a common survival mistake many make, leading to wasted, precious resources just when you need them most. Well, today, for the very first time here on the channel, Rainer revealing the ultimate secret to successfully splitting a match without that infuriating crumble. This survival secret seems completely counterintuitive at first glance, but trust me, it's a game changer for emergency preparedness and bushcraft skills. Are you ready for it? Here it is! Moisten the match head very lightly with a tiny bit of saliva. Yes, you heard me right. Moisten it. Just a microscopic amount. We're not soaking it. The reason? That slight dampness actually prevents the match head from crumbling when you apply pressure. It temporarily softens the structure just enough to allow a clean split without disintegration. Here's the precise process. Once the match head is barely moist, place the match on a solid, stable surface. Then, with a sharp, thin blade, a very sharp knife or even a fresh razor blade works best for precision, carefully and slowly split the match directly down the middle. Precision and patience are absolutely key here. After you've successfully halved it, you must let those pieces dry completely. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the ambient humidity. Once fully dry, these halved matches are ready for action. Now, starting a fire with halved matches is a delicate skill. This isn't something you want to try for the very first time when your life depends on it. Incorporate this match-splitting technique into your survival training and outdoor skills practice sessions. Practice makes perfect, and in the wilderness, perfection can be survival. So there you have it, a powerful survival hack from Rainer Snake Salzger himself. If you found this wilderness skill valuable and want more essential survival tips, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments below what other fire-starting secrets or survival techniques have you discovered. Stay safe out there, prepare diligently, and we'll see you in the next one.